Hi guys, good day. We will be unboxing Venom and Carnage of Sega SPM, or the special premium figure of Marvel Comics. This figure was released last December 2021. Medyo mahirap nang hanapin yung Carnage. Good thing I was able to find a seller who sold it to me on a lower price. So here's a quick look again on the box, on the front box of these figures. Tara, yan boxan natin. Yan na. Shoutout nga pala sa Collectibles for the Carnage figure. The figure is made of ABS or PVC plastic, and it's quite heavy. By the way guys, when doing an unboxing or you want to display a figure, make sure to somehow take care of the plastic as well, so that whenever you're planning to resell it or give it to someone, they will feel that the actual figure is being taken care of. Sabi nga nila, alagang collector. So ayun, medyo na-excite na ako, nakita ko na si Carnage. Ang tagal ko kasi hinanap to, kaya hindi ko ma-unbox si Venom. Okay, here's a quick look of Venom. Then let's do the assembly. Grabe ang detail ng quality niya. Ang solid ng figure. Okay, so now Venom's turn. I-assemble na rin natin. Kapareho ni Carnage, solid din si Venom. Ayos! Here's a 360 view of the SPM Carnage. The color quality is pretty amazing. The figure itself is quite big. So approximately, most likely ito mga around 7-inch yung laki ni Carnage. And this is also a pre-painted figure. For Venom, the color quality and also the actual figure is really impressive. All I can say is that this Venom is comic accurate. This figure stands around 8 inches. Mas malaki siya ng konti kay Carnage. The manufacturer put too much time for this statue as well, both for Carnage and Venom. It's really amazing. Okay guys, so here's Carnage face to face with Venom for a quick comparison as well. Ito yung figure na pag nakita mo parang gustong manakit. The detail is really premium, including yung effects niya, yung sa mga symbiote. So here's a quick photo of Venom and Carnage. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and a quick review. And sa mga collector dyan and aspiring to be a collector, happy collecting! 2 thumbs up for Sega for these magnificent figures.